Hello guys, this is boy Binky from How to PC. Today I'll walk you through how to download or install Android Studio on your PC or Windows 10 or 11. The step is very easy. Go to any browser and hit Android Studio. Click on it and click on the official website and wait for a second. And hit the green button, download Android Studio. From there accept and download that. You see will download here. I'll cancel because I downloaded previously and go to download. You see I'll download it. I download here. Click on it, double click and wait for a second. You see it's appear here and wait until it's open. See, oh, open. Then, oh, we messed up. Let's open it. I open too. Now wait for a second until it's open. Choose one. Next, next, and install. Wait for a second. Wait for extract process to finish. You see, extract the files. And hit next. You see we uninstall that and hit finish. And this video for today I hope it helpful for you, and don't forget to subscribe my channel to see new stuff, and see you next time guys. Bye bye.